Hello, kids. How are you? How are you doing? All right, I'm glad to be here with you one more day. Well, look, this is over. Okay, that's it. All right, we got a review of all the units we're done. Sorry, we done this week's before. All right, we got unit 9, 10, 11, and 12. And everything is going to be very simple, okay? These two exercises, all right, these 2 pages with 4 exercises, sorry. And look, we're going to do a lessoning, which we're going to connect every letter, all right? Here, we're going to do another lessoning, which we have to color the jellyfish at the beach, or in the beach, at the beach, all right? Now, here we're going to match the questions and answer, okay? Whose shorts are they? All right, we're going to do F. They're mine. Something that makes sense. We're going to go through it, see if I can help you. And here, look, we're going to complete. All right, eat, ear, car, cat, man, mat, hat, 10, pen, piece, seed. Well, I just said all the words we had to put in. All right. All right, let's go with this one here. We're going to start with this. And as always, I'm going to tell you, all right, how to connect it myself. Okay. So we're going to start from the D and connect to the Y, which is already connected. Next word would be A. Next word, next line, M. Next line, X. Next line, B. Next line, theta. Next line, C. Next line, C. Next line, H. Next line, O. Next line, Q. Next line, E. Next line, L. Next line, P. Next line, W. Next line, V. Next line, S. Next line, G. Next line, I. Next line, F. Next line, I. Next line, V. There we go. What's this? It's I don't know. What do you think it is? You tell me, all right? Just write it down what you think it is. Now let's listen in color. The jellyfish we have at the beach. Okay, there's one example. And look, there is the look. This is a picture from the beach. Okay, look at this picture. Look at this picture. It's the beach. All right, now there are a lot of jellyfish. Can you see the jellyfish on the boat? I'm going to color it gray. Right here. Gray, yes. You can color it gray. It's already gray. Number 1. There is a jellyfish on the sand. And you see one next to the tennis racket. Can you color it blue? Number 2. I can see 2 jellyfish behind the tree. There's a small behind. Can you color it pink? Number 3. Look, there's a jellyfish between the shoes. Can you color it orange? 4. There's a jellyfish in the water. It's very big. Can you color it green? 5. There's a jellyfish next to the chair. You color it yellow. Well, very simple. Now, let's do this match the question and answer. Whose shorts are they? Here we have an F. They belong to, here is connect to the F. They're mine. Okay, very simple. Now let's read the rest of them and see which one you would think a match. Where are they playing? Where are they playing badminton? Who's that? What color's your shirt? What's Mr. Star doing? Which dress is yours? Here we got he's cooking on the beach. The long red one, it's green, and she's my cousin. Okay, let's see. Where are they playing badminton? Here there's only one place. Alright, a big open place where we all would love to play badminton. At the beach? You will have to say it the right way. On the beach? Perfect. Who's that? Someone of your family? What color is your shirt? Could be green? I don't know. Maybe. What's Mr. Star doing? Oh, yeah. He's doing something great that tastes very good. And when something tastes very good, you have to cook it before you taste it? Of course. Okay. And which dress is yours? A dress has to be long. And I don't know what color. Which color would you like? Something that you can see far away. Well, I think that's very simple. I'll give you most of the answers, okay? Now look and complete, okay? Here the boy's eating, eat. This is a ear, a car, meow, a cat, okay? Man, man, remember plural and singular, mat, hat, 10, pen, bean, sea. That was it. I think it's very simple. Okay, hope you enjoy. All right. This is a review. We are almost finished with everything in this book. And well, hope you have a great time. See you next day, which would be on Thursday. Okay. And have a great weekend. Have a great week. Sorry. And I hope you had a great weekend. And well, summer's around the corner, as I said. This week, another week, and that's it. And next worksheet, if you have fun, I'm going to send you something that you will enjoy doing it. Okay? Love you guys. Have fun. See you later. Lots of love and lots of kisses. Bye.